Okay, we have a Trak CNC manual flatbed engine lathe, model Trl 1840Sx. Machine has 18-inch swing, 40-inch centers. Serial number 07CQ1550. Machine was new in 2007. It has the Southwestern Industries SLX control, constant surface speed. You have a turret, 4-position turret, programmable. Machine has, we're running right now, spindle is up to 2,500 RPM. It's a D16 cam lock. 150 RPM, low range. 450 in the low. Machine has a 2.36-inch spindle bore. Again, that's a 3-jaw chuck on there. It's 450 in the high. Again, it goes up to 2,500. 800 RPM. It's nice and smooth. That's the turret indexing, star 4 position. Okay, that's a digital hand wheel that simulates a hand wheel, electronic hand wheel. It's the other axes. You can show it on the control too, that it moves like a digital readout. Also, you can use the joystick for rapid. Tailstock's number 5 Morse taper, 7-inch travel. All right, you have hardened ground bedways, your control. You have a live center also for the tailstock and a drill chuck. Hey, thank you for watching our video.